Hello everyone, myself Mohammad Khaja Pasha, and I'm happy to share my SAP journey from FuTech Institute. This institute has been a very great place to learn and grow, and this course which I was taken training in SAP SD and S4 HANA was very well structured and focused on real world skills. I got hands-on learning opportunities in this course, where I got an opportunity to secure my job. A special thanks to our trainer, Mr. Bharat Kumar sir. He made even the toughest topics simple to understand. His teaching was very clear, practical, and very effective. He always used to tell us about the real-time scenarios which happens in business to explain the concepts. um, this helped us to how SAP works in the businesses. Bharat sir was very supportive and patient with all of us. Whatever the questions we asked to him, he used to explain us very clearly, patiently. His guidance made me feel comfort in the SAP skills. He taught us not just theory but also the practical, which helps in the businesses. And learning under him has been amazing experience to me. He inspired us to work hard and aim for success. Thanks to FuTech Institute and Bharat sir, uh, for which I got the opportunity to work and secure my job. I recommend to everyone to join this institute and to kick start your career in SAP. Thank you one and all.